What if I told you that Google is preparing a smartphone that could completely change the way we think about AI-powered devices? The upcoming Google Pixel 11 is already generating massive excitement, and if the latest leaks and rumors are accurate, this could be one of the smartest smartphones ever created. So stay with me until the end, because there's a surprising detail about the Pixel 11 that most people are completely overlooking, and it might be the feature that changes everything. Google has always focused on software intelligence rather than simply chasing bigger numbers, and the Pixel 11 appears ready to continue that tradition in a major way. Right from the start, the phone is expected to feature a premium design with refined materials, slimmer bezels, and a sleek camera bar that has become a signature Pixel look. The display is rumored to be a stunning OLED panel with a high refresh rate, delivering smoother scrolling, better gaming performance, and vibrant colors that make everything from videos to photos look incredible. Whether you're streaming content, browsing social media, or gaming for hours, the display is expected to provide a flagship-level experience. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people buy Pixel phones: the cameras. Google has built a reputation for producing some of the best smartphone photography in the world, and the Pixel 11 is expected to push things even further. Rumors suggest upgraded camera sensors combined with next-generation computational photography. That means sharper details, better low-light shots, improved zoom capabilities, and more natural-looking portraits. Video recording could also receive major improvements, making the Pixel 11 a powerful tool for content creators. But the real magic may not be the hardware itself, it's the AI working behind the scenes. Google's advanced image processing is expected to make every photo look professional with minimal effort. Speaking of AI, this is where things get really interesting. The Pixel 11 is expected to be packed with powerful artificial intelligence features powered by Google's latest software innovations. Imagine real-time language translation, smarter voice assistants, advanced photo editing, AI-generated summaries, intelligent call screening, and personalized recommendations that actually understand your habits. Google has been leading the AI smartphone race, and the Pixel 11 could become the company's most advanced AI device yet. The phone is also expected to run on a new generation Tensor chipset designed specifically for machine learning and AI tasks. While raw benchmark numbers may not always be the highest compared to competitors, the Tensor chip focuses on delivering smarter and more useful everyday experiences. Battery life is another area where Google is expected to improve significantly. Reports suggest a larger battery combined with better power efficiency from the new processor. This could translate into all-day battery life even for heavy users. Fast charging and wireless charging are also expected to return, helping users spend less time connected to a charger and more time enjoying their device. Performance should feel faster and smoother across the board, whether you're multitasking, editing photos, playing demanding games, or switching between apps. As for the launch date, Google is expected to unveil the Pixel 11 around its traditional fall hardware event window, likely in the second half of the year, although official confirmation has not yet arrived. And now for the surprising detail I mentioned at the beginning. While everyone is focusing on the camera upgrades and AI features, the most important change may actually be how seamlessly all those features work together. Instead of adding AI just for marketing purposes, Google appears to be creating a phone that genuinely understands and assists users throughout their day. That could make the Pixel 11 feel less like a smartphone and more like a true digital companion. If that vision becomes reality, the Pixel 11 could end up being one of the most influential smartphones Google has ever released. So, would you buy the Google Pixel 11 when it launches? Let me know your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.